Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to show you my new Toro snowblower. Thanks for joining me. So my wife actually found this on Facebook Marketplace. It is a Toro 421 snowblower. It is actually 43 years old. So we'll go ahead and take a walk around of it real quick, and then I will show you how it starts. Alright, and here we go. It is a Toro 421. This is a two-stage snowblower, and that means that the auger and the drive run separately. So the other snowblower that I have, this auger is different, and it has like rubber across it because that actually helps propel it forward, where this, the auger runs independently from the drive wheels, and the drive wheels have a transmission in it. This has a 3-speed transmission and reverse. The tires on here are solid rubber tires, and based on the serial number, this was built in 1980. That is a Tecumseh motor. And that is a 5 horsepower. And this thing is in really good shape. Previous owner kept all the service up to date and everything on it. So there are a few spots, there's a little rust on the chute there, a little rust here, but nothing too major. It looks like it's in pretty good shape, runs out real well, and this is going to make a huge difference than that other one that just wasn't powerful enough. It didn't have a big enough chute on the end to really do much. We still had to have someone plow the apron of our driveway last winter, and so we're hoping that with this little bit bigger of a machine, we won't have to do that. And yes, we already have had snow this year. We got snow on October 30th. It was just enough to remind people that snow can make the roads wet. And, it's best that when you're driving in snow to slow down a little bit. So this is really unique, the way they have this start. Well, first I'll just go through how the starting procedure works on this. You do have to turn the fuel on. And so that's right there. Engage the choke, set the throttle. Well, this looks like it's all set up, ready to go. And then turn the key to on. And I do have to prime it. And then I just need to pull the ripcord here to start it. Ooh, she's loud. So it is a little loud, but it does run real nice, and this will make snow removal a lot easier this year. So it was just a quick walk around of the new snowblower. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.